Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Google account that holds the phone numbers. Once signed in, make sure two-step verification is accessible so you can confirm identity when prompted. Now open My Account. Google.com and select Personal Info. This takes you to contact details. You do this first because Google locks sensitive contact fields until identity is verified. If you're on a phone, use the browser's desktop mode for full options. Otherwise, the desktop flow is fastest and clearer. Once in Personal Info, scroll to Contact Info and select Phone so you can see listed numbers. You'll be asked to authenticate. Enter your password or the two-step code. This prevents unauthorized changes. After authentication, click the specific number, then tap Edit. You can either replace it with a new number or choose Remove to delete it entirely. Make sure you understand which account feature uses the number, because removing it can affect sign-in recovery and two-step verification setups. Confirm the removal when Google asks, and then return to recovery options to ensure another verified method remains. Once done, make sure two-step verification is updated if that deleted number was used for codes. Add an authenticator app or backup number to avoid lockout. If the deletion doesn't complete, sign out and back in, clear browser cache, or try a different device or browser. Those steps resolve most sync or session issues. If you're still blocked, wait 24 hours and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.